Gaelic uses the possessives mo, tho, a, my, your, his, her in situations where you might not expect it, especially before a verbal noun. Avilu gamachloinchin. Can you hear me? Where we're saying at my hearing, gamachloinchin, rather than hearing me. Another unusual use of possessives and a verbal noun is in passive sentences with the verb rach, to go. We say chai na hofishin a thogail, to say the offices got built. But to say they got built, where the subject is a pronoun, then Gaelic uses not iad, but the possessive an, their, chai and thogail. They're building, they got built, chai and thogail. Thogail, of course, also means bringing up, raising a family. So the children were brought up in the Highlands is chai a chwaun a thogail ire gealtach. But to say I was brought up, we use not the pronoun me, but the possessive mo. Chai mo thogail ire gealtach, I was brought up in the Highlands.